Hello, this is Mohammad Islam. I'm going to demonstrate client and server socket programming. So on the left side is my server and on the right side is my client. So I'll run both. First the server, then the client. So on the client side, the user needs to input the port number first. So let's say 6060. User inputs the port number and it will wait for the new connection from the client. On the client side, user can input the IP address of the server. And also the port number. So IP address and the port number needs to be exactly same as the server. So once it's connected, it will generate the private key and the public key and the MD5 public key, which will be sent over to the server side. So here the public key is received and also the MD5 public key. Then it is used to verify the public key. If successful, then it will show a message that is successful. After that, on the server side, session key will be generated. Session key 1 and session key is a reverse of session key 2. Together is the full seed key. Then RSA encryption will be used on session key 1 and MD5 session key will be created, which will be sent to the client side for verification. On the client side, it receives the seed encryption session key and the MD5 session key, and it is used to verify. If verification is successful, then it will show a successful message. Then encrypted session key is decrypted and it will show the plain text of the session key 1 and the session key 2 and the full seed key. Now both server and client will have the same seed key and counter block key for encryption purposes. So here's the seed key and counter block, and the server side is the same seed key and counter block. Now it's waiting for the client to type something. So let's say the client types like hi Alice, hi Bob. So encrypted message will be sent to the server side. So here is the message. So it will say like how are you? So the encrypted message will be sent to the client side, and both client and server chat is encrypted using seed key and counter block, and it is also decrypted using seed key and counter block. When client press quit, it will terminate the client and also the server